Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update hand-drawn icons into consistent brand icons, detailed guide step by step clearly. Start by reviewing your existing hand-drawn icons. Identify the key elements that represent your brand. Make a list of the common themes and shapes found in your hand-drawn icons. Choose a design software that suits your skill level. Open your design software and create a new project with appropriate dimensions. Import your hand-drawn icons into the software. Analyze each icon for style, color, and proportion. Select a consistent color palette that aligns with your brand identity. Create a new layer for each icon to maintain the original design as a reference. Begin tracing your hand-drawn icons using vector tools to ensure scalability. Refine the shapes to create smoother lines and consistent proportions. Keep the visual language uniform by using the same stroke weight across all icons. Experiment with different styles, such as flat or outline, to see what fits your brand best. Revisit your color palette and apply it consistently across all icons. Review your icons for any inconsistencies in detail or style. Make necessary adjustments to ensure harmony among all icons. Consider creating a grid system to help align and space your icons consistently. Add any necessary textures or effects that fit your brand, but keep them subtle. Export the revised icons in different formats for various applications. Create a style guide that outlines the usage and meanings of each icon. Finalize your design and prepare to integrate them into your branding materials. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.